the weaponization of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So get out your sake. Part 6. So you're looking at a photograph of Nagasaki. You see it down there in the bottom corner, bottom of the photograph. It tells you what you're looking at. Now, what I have tried to do in the past is point out where they embed demons so that they are telling you that the photograph is fake. And if the photograph is fake, guess what? The story is fake. So I was able to pick one up with my eyes. I'm going to point to it, and then we're going to start using the camera lens and zero in on some of them. Okay, now these were made probably at Lookout Mountain up above the Hollywood sign, which was a top secret film facility that basically filmed all of your atomic bomb stuff. Alright, so just with my eye and not even using magnification, right here. You're probably going to see plenty more of them. You can very easily see two of them to the left. Here's the main one. There's two other ones right there. Basically, it's probably all demons. Now what they'll tell you is everything was incinerated, right? It's completely incinerated. Well, I got some questions about that. I hope they're clear to you now. Now you can do this. I've done this several times, and I'm not going to say it always works, but most likely when you see a bunch of junk, they've got demon faces embedded. They're like everywhere. Ooh. Ooh. So the narrative is they drop this bomb, it makes a mushroom cloud, and everything is incinerated. Right? Well, I've got a couple questions about that. Well, we'll just do a little more exploring here with the lens. See if you can see some more demon faces. Because they're probably just scattered everywhere. Maybe they're trying to say these are the bones of people. I don't know. Yeah, they're everywhere. Oh, there's a laughing one. See that one in the middle? He's laughing at you. There's a laughing demon. Right there. Ha ha ha. Joke's on you. So everything's obliterated. People just get vaporized, right? Well then, why are there poles there? And furthermore, why is there still a road there? And furthermore, down the road, there's still a house off to the left down there. Way down on the left in the upper portion. Oh, everything's incinerated. Bodies are just gone. But yet you can make out a road, and yet some of the posts along the road are just fine. Now it's a fairly common thing, especially in the old hoax-lie photographs, to, I'll use the word, embed demons into the photograph. Now in case you want to look this up, I'll show you where I got it from. And by the way, there's other photographs I could probably do some work on, but for right now that's enough. It's up here, National Archives. So they could probably do something with this photograph right here, because see, they have to tell you that they're liars, and that's what makes the magic work. They tell you up front they're lying to you. Now, I didn't really explore this, but if anybody wants to leave a comment, they see something there. They have to tell you they're lying. So if you see a photograph like I showed you with demons embedded, tell me something. Are you going to believe their stories? And so many of the stories, they'll tell you about so-and-so was 300 feet from ground zero and miraculously survived. And yet, the other narrative is the bomb was dropped and everybody was instantly incinerated. And the whole city, in a sense, disappeared. Well, they have to have some false witnesses. And that's what it is, a false witness to death. And remember, if you did work with Dave J. or did listen to Dave J., he warned about it over and over and over again. False witnessing to death. So once again, we'll do a little more magnification here. See if you can be a demon spotter and spot some demons. They're probably all over the place. I just tried to show you a few. Well, I see quite a few more. It's never ending. It's never ending. Take a look in the upper left corner. See a big one there. Anyhow, you get the idea. You can do this. And if you want, prove it to yourself. Prove it to yourself that they're liars. Don't let me do it. Alright? Don't let me be the one to do it. You do it. Do some of the things I do. And you'll begin to say, whoa, that's weird. Of course it's weird. Because first of all, they're liars. And secondly, they're under the headship of the father of lies. And thirdly, they use what the father of lie gives them to empower his kingdom, namely witchcraft. And it's more than just psychological manipulation. They do their best with that too, by the way. But they will actually use witchcraft and invoke the demonic powers and invoke the devil to try to lie to you. An atomic bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. Well, I'll tell you what, it might be best just go ahead and get yourself a drink of sake. And I don't mean to nag you about getting sake. Thank you for watching. End of video.